I'm learning so much.
Well, good.
I'm gonna keep leveraging your intelligence. Business analytics, or I'm sorry, business intelligence versus data analytics.
Yeah, yeah. So I think there's a good, that's a good thing there. So building intelligence is all around tools and and people, right? So the idea is you take data, you bring it into the system, you run tools like Excel or Tableau, and you look at that data and you present it in graphs, right? So and then a subject matter expert would look at the data and make a decision based on that. So a lot of heavy lift on the human side. You have some pretty competent people, and it presents kind of a challenge in a repeatable model, right? So data analytics says, well, let me use the data to help me make decisions instead, and not to replace the human, but to augment what they have. And so the idea is data analytics is great. So you hear a lot about machine learning, all the wonderful things it can do, and it can, but by itself it's not as important or not as useful as if you combine it with that business intelligence and then a subject matter expert along with rules. So, again, I think even though they sound very, very similar in what they do, the focus is a little bit different, right? So when one case you're looking at charts, and in the other one you're saying, I don't even know why we're making this decision, but the data tells me that fuel pump is going to go bad in the next 2 hours. I don't know why, but I need to be able to do that piece of it. And we at Bsquare don't think that either one is 100% of what a business solution should be made up of. You use both of them. So in machine learning, there's this concept of an ensemble model, which basically says, don't use one model, use a bunch of them and do a consensus vote. We think the same thing is true when you do the analysis of the data. You need both the analytics and the data analysis, along with that subject matter business intelligence thing to move through it.
Thank you. Clear explanation. I like it.